Okay, so here's a video on how to apply for the Small Business Administration Emergency Disaster Loan.
It's not there anymore. It's not there. There. Let me see it. Let me see. I want to see.
Open your browser and go to the Small Business Administration website at sba.gov.
It's not there.
Click the link that takes you to the Disaster Resource page.
Come on. Wait. What are you worried about?
There you'll find information about the many different programs available through SBA. We're looking for the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, or EIDL. Once you locate the page for that program, you need to find the link that takes you to the application. Then you can enter your information about your business and apply for the loan. There will be a few programs to choose from. We're looking at the EIDL Loan Advance program. The other popular one, the Paycheck Protection Program, can be applied for directly through your company's bank. Click on the link that takes you to the EIDL page. Scroll down and look for the link that will take you to the application. Here you will enter the information to be used to determine eligibility and process your
Trying to finish
application.
this. You guys be quiet for a minute, okay?
In the first
please?
section, most of you are going to choose option number 1. Applicant is a business with not more than 500 employees. Then you review and check off all the boxes in the next section. If you can't check off all these boxes, you're not eligible for the program.
Alright,
These
don't
are
do that.
questions like whether or not half your income is from gambling,
You want her
whether
to cry
or
on
not you're a
TV?
lobbyist, or you're a member of Congress. I'm assuming that most of you are not members of Congress. Then you hit the continue button.
Who's that?
In the next section, you'll enter your
that
business
right there?
legal name, which is a name that you were either incorporated under
Do you wanna talk
or
in
you
the
have a
thing?
DBA under. I'm going to put
You
in
wanna
here
talk?
Jimmy the Jew, for example.
Talking here?
Jimmy the Jew Inc. My
Wanna say
trade
hi?
name will be JTJ.
You gotta wait a minute, okay? Wait 2 minutes. Wait 2 minutes, and I'll let you talk.
Next, you'll enter your
Let's
federal
talk in a minute.
employer identification
Wanna
number
put these in your
or
ears?
social security number if you don't have an EIN.
You sound so fancy, Jim.
It's me.
Next, choose the appropriate organization type, whether it's a limited liability company, sole proprietorship, C Corp, S Corp. Choose the one that applies to your company.
Wait, not yet. Gotta wait a minute. Then we're gonna put these on, okay?
The next few questions are pretty self-explanatory. Are you a nonprofit? Are you a franchise? You're going to put your gross revenues in for the past 12 months prior to the date of the disaster. So it'd be January 31st of 2019 to January 31st of 2020. Cost of goods sold would be all of your expenses from January of 2019 to January 31st of 2020. If you have any rental properties that you derive income from, you put that rental income. These next few questions won't apply to most of you. This is nonprofit cost of operations and combined annual operating expenses for secular social services like churches and other nonprofits. Again, that won't apply to most of you. Next, you'll put in your primary business address if you have a building. Put in your home address if you run your business from your home.
Okay,
I'm
here.
going to put in 123 Main Street in Anywhere, Michigan.
We're almost done.
We'll be in Oakland County. We'll just make up some numbers for the zip code, phone number,
Listen,
alternative
Can you hear it?
business phone number. I would put in an alternate business phone number in case they have trouble reaching you. You'll want that alternate number in there.
let me hear. Ella likes this thing. Not yet.
As far as business fax number, that's not required. If you don't have one, don't put it in there. Business email, this is important. You'll just definitely want to put your primary contact email because that's how they're going to contact you. They're pretty overwhelmed with applications, so make sure you get that right and double check it. Next, you'll put the date that the business was established, so the date of incorporation or when you first started your business. And then the next question will be your current ownership. Normally that'll be the same date as your business was established unless you bought
Are you
the
gonna sing?
business from someone else. Next, you're going to choose a business activity from a drop-down list. There's several choices, so just get something close, and then there'll be a sub-selection for a more specific trade or business.
I'm trying to record right
Then you'll
now.
enter the number of employees you have and move
It's
on
not
to
going
the
to get
final
that
section.
because it's not
You're
one
gonna
of
put
the,
the
one of
owner's
the
first
sources.
name,
I can't answer it
last
until
name,
this is over.
your mobile phone number. Again, make sure this is accurate because if they do need
Okay, wait.
to contact you,
Wait,
this
not
is
yet,
gonna be
not
the
yet, not yet.
primary way they're going to contact by phone.
We're almost done.
Your
Okay?
title or
Then you can sing.
office.
Okay? Do you want to sing a song?
No.
wanna say-
Ownership
you wanna say hi-
percentage
you wanna
for
say
most of
hi?
If your small business is going to be 100%.
You don't want to say hi?
Email address. Again, make sure this is accurate because they normally will contact by email for any correspondence. Your social security number, not your federal ID number. This is where you're going to put your own personal social security number. Date of birth.
That's my birthday.
And when you're
May
entering your date of birth,
1st.
remember to use the format month, day, day.
My birthday's
with
coming
4
up.
digits for year.
We can have a
If you
party?
try to enter it with 2 digits, 2 digits,
Do I have a
2
birthday
digits,
cake?
it's
Can I
gonna
have-
say
can I have
red
pink
and give
cake?
you an error.
Yeah.
So you gotta go
How about
back
some purple cake?
and make sure you enter a 4-digit
Well,
year
Miss
so it'll accept that
birthday's
field.
gonna
Place of birth
cut
would be
the
city and state.
spooky one.
Oh, yeah. Well, I don't want spooky on.
And check whether or not you're a U.S.
And
citizen.
Mia. That's right.
Put in your
Yeah.
residential street address, your home, your home address where you live, the city, state, and zip code.
Almost done.
We're gonna put in my childhood address in Hazel
Someone
Park,
gets
Michigan.
your night.
I still remember that address.
know what that
'cause
is
I
right
lived
there?
for a long time, and it
Yeah.
was
What
a
is
lot
it?
of fun there.
A marble ball.
That's the coronavirus.
This is the
Then we'll
crown.
go on to the next page after we
That's what it
make
looks
sure
like.
we check that is your
They call it the
business owned
coronavirus
by
'cause it looks like
business
the sun.
entity. Normally it'll be no, but if you don't check this box, it won't allow you to continue.
the
So make
sun?
sure you check that box.
Well, the sun has a corona
And
around
they're
it.
going to ask you
That's why
some
they call
final
it the coronavirus.
questions.
It looks
so
like
you
the
can
sun,
connect
kind of.
with
See?
the company.
See?
Do you have any other federal grants? And have you been arrested in the past 6 months? Things like that. You will definitely want to check this last box if you want to be considered for an advance of up to $10,000. And finally, you're going to put in your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure these numbers are accurate.
Hear
because
Michigan in
these
the
are where
background
they
there?
Transmit funds to. Your account number is going to be the account number assigned from your bank, and routing number will be a 9-digit number. This can be found on the bottom of your check, and use a check non-deposit slip. And again, that's 9 digits. And you certify the application. Click next, which I am not going to do, otherwise I'll be submitting a false application. So you click next, and your application will be submitted to the SBA for consideration. Well, I hope this was helpful, and wish all of you the best of luck in submitting these applications, and hopefully you will receive a positive response.
Okay, ready?
Is that it?
Okay, so that was the application process. This is
At
my
least you didn't get.
production crew here. This is Aria. Say hi, Aria.
Oh no!
Say hi, Ella. Say hi. Okay.
Huh?
This is our first production.
Where
It's
is
going to
she?
go on the
I'm
YouTube
not
channel.
in it.
Okay, bye.
Where is she?